Hi everyone, today I wanted to share a little quick, easy dinner for you using rotisserie chicken. I just pulled it apart, then we use some pasta, heavy cream, and better than bouillon, which is chicken based. So cook the pasta according to the instructions that it says on the package. And in the meantime, we're gonna get our chicken ready, put it in our skillet. Once it's been boiling for 5 minutes, we're going to take this pasta water and put it over to make our base, make it into watery like this. So even it out, thin it out. Then we're just going to pour that into our chicken and put our heavy cream. We're going to turn it on and let this kind of cook, thicken up. So the reason why we want to use heavy cream, because we're already adding chicken stock or chicken broth, so it's going to be just plain water, so we want to add heavy cream. And if it's been boiling and you don't really like that it's too watery, you can go ahead and add some flour. You can sprinkle some flour and it will thicken up your sauce. So just sprinkle. You don't want to add too much at the same time because you're gonna have some it's just gonna turn into little bumps and you're gonna taste the flour, so you don't want that. So mix it up and let it boil. You can see it thicken. That's the way I want it and it's perfect. So I'm just gonna taste if it's salty enough and put it aside. So the pasta is ready. Drain it, ready to roll. I put in the chicken into the pasta. Now mix. You can put it on heat if you want, but it's ready to be eaten. I'm telling you, this is fast, easy, and delicious. Why not? So I hope this helped you out a little bit, and you can add some Parmesan cheese on top if you like. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.